Hi, my name is Javier and I'm gonna make some cake. First, I'm gonna put the flour in the bowl. And it didn't want to come out. My mom showed me how to crack 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna crack 1. Now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together. In the baking pan, I'm gonna spread all the butters with my fingers.
Okay, now we're gonna put the cake inside the oven. We already had it preheated for 350 Fahrenheit, so it's ready to go. So now we have to wait about 30 minutes. To make sure the cake's ready, get a knife and poke it, and if it comes out clean, that means it's ready.
Now I'm gonna use the baking gloves to take out the cake. It smells delicious. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm spreading the chocolate frosting with a spoon.
Wow, this is nice. Wow, it's a good.
This is my favorite part, putting the sprinkles on the cake. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell.